palettes, pouts, perfumes and panning here, and I'm going to do a mini review on the small or mini Natasha Denona Love Palette, and that's it there. And there are 5 shades in the palette. So I've taken it out, and I have worn it twice, once today and once the day it arrived. That's it. And the shade names are You Are My True Love. So there's a gold, there's a purple, there's a aubergine, there's a champagne, and there's a rose gold at the end. This one has shimmer and glitter. It's not quite rose, but it's not copper. This one is definitely rose gold. So I'm going to do a swatch starting on this end. And the Natasha Denona mats are so soft. They are unbelievably soft, and her shimmers are very nice also. Twice. So those are the colours, and those are the names. In what order they run, I'm not quite sure, but as I said, they are You Are My True Love. It could be this way, or it could be that way. I'm not quite sure. But those are the swatches. Those are the colours. That's what I'm wearing tonight. I'm wearing the mauve one, the aubergine one, the champagne one, and the rose gold one. The only one I haven't wearing is this copper, because there's a lot of shimmer in it, and I just gave that one a pass for tonight. So I think it's a very nice little palette. I think you have everything you need in it, and very handy to fit in your bag, your handbag, your purse, whatever you bring your items in. And I really do like it, and I have enjoyed using it the twice that I did, and I think the swatches came out quite well, considering there wasn't much effort. Still I'm quite pigmented. So if you are interested in purchasing that little palette, or if you have any of our 5-pan palettes, which ones have you got? Let me know in the comments section, or if you're considering purchasing one of them. I have only 2. There's another one further back on the channel if you want to look it up, but this one I think is very nicely arranged, and I really do like it. Very impressed. So those are the swatches. So if you like the little mini review, consider if you've enjoyed the mini review, consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you would consider subscribing, go ahead, ring the bell for notifications of future uploads. And I do actually have her large Love palette, and if you would be interested in seeing me swatch that palette, then just put it in the comments and I will certainly swatch it for you. So thanks for watching. Thank you.